Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sankara. You all know that now we are in vacations. The High Court, Honorable Supreme Court of India, even majority of the district courts, they are observing the vacation. Of course, in our district court, normally it will be divided into two by shifts. So first half will be availed by one judge and the second half will be availed by another judge. But for conducting trial or for taking up the important matters, the vacation bench will be there. So, for posting the urgent matters or for getting the matters listed urgently, normally the senior advocates, they are coming. Actually, that can be left over to the junior advocates. So, an experiment is being taken up by the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Sri N.V. Ramana, in this regard. Actually, previously in the year 2017, when Honorable Chief Justice Deepak Mishra was there, he also actually made a trial in this regard. So, the trial is during the vacation. Let the junior advocates appear before the Honorable Justice Vacation Bench and submit their arguments, at least to list the so-called urgent matters, to list out the urgent matters. But even for that also, the senior advocates are coming, which is not liked by the Chief Justice of India and others. సహజంగా వెకేషన్ టైంలో చిన్న చిన్న కేసులు వస్తాయి, అర్జెంట్ మ్యాటర్స్ ఉంటాయి. అర్జెంట్ మ్యాటర్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వాటిని జూనియర్ అడ్వకేట్స్ వచ్చి బెంచ్లో రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తే చాలు, దానికి కూడా సీనియర్ అడ్వకేట్స్ రావనక్కర్లేదు అనేటువంటిది సుప్రీంకోర్టు యొక్క ఉద్దేశం. కానీ నిన్న, దట్ ఈస్ ఆన్ 30/5/2022, 3 senior advocates appeared before the vacation bench. Of course, one on virtually, the others physically appeared, and they are wanting certain matters to be taken up urgently. So now let us hear their expressions. Now normally the intention of the Supreme Court is that the junior advocates may be allowed to represent the matters for taking up urgently or otherwise by the junior advocates. But senior advocate number 1, Kapil Sibal, he appeared before the Honorable Supreme Court of India and wanted an urgent listing of a mining company. At that time, Justice B.V. NAGARATNA and Justice Ajay Rastogi actually asked him, so don't you think that there are good number of junior lawyers to persuade for urgent listing implications? Why have you come personally for such matters? So for this, the reply, please remember, Kapil Sibal sir said, I agree, Your Honor, fully with, but what to do? Too many dharnas outside my house. Or too many dharnas means people are flocking in front of his office and representing that the matter should be personally represented by Kapil Sibal. So professionally also like this. For example, if you want to go for some operation, eye operation, normally I got it checked at Ongol and the doctor advised me to go for cataract operation. But if you go to Hyderabad, you will consult only Kasu Prasad Reddy, that is Maxi Vision, and take his appointment. Why? Because of the confidence in him. Likewise, people are thronging around the office of Kapil Sibal sir so that he represents the matter personally. So he is helpless. That is the reply for him. Even though he wanted to get the matter actually appraised by the junior advocates, the petitioners or the clients, they are not acceptable. Then second case, Mukul Rohatgi, you know that he worked as our Attorney General of India also, Solicitor General of India also. Now Mukul Rohatgi, now he is a very busy man. Actually, he stands at one place, he appears on one court, then he appears virtually. All these things do happen because he has to do he attend multifarious courts. So it is written that he is located in different places and arguing virtually from wherever he is. Just now, okay, since I am in Hyderabad, I am speaking like that he is doing. So now the Supreme Court jokingly told him that we are in the court, so why don't you come to the court? Then he said, Your Honor, matter to be posted after a couple of days, I will appear personally. So when he asked, he is also of the same opinion that the clients are pressurizing him to appear personally. Third great man, because these three advocates, they earn crores of rupees per 1 month. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, A.M. Singhvi, yes, when I asked the same question, why don't you get your juniors represented? Then he said, he is he is agreeable, but only thing is, if the Supreme Court makes a rule that a uniform rule that juniors only should appear during the vacation bench, he is ready. But court cannot say like that. Court should not differentiate between a junior lawyer and junior lawyer and a senior advocate. Why? Because there are only two types of advocates. No doubt, senior advocate will have preference in audience. That's all. No difference. No case can be acquitted because of the appearance of the senior advocate. No case can be convicted because of the appearance of the junior advocate. That's not the case. But only thing is, to encourage the young lawyers, the Supreme Court thought that it is better. But of course, let us wait and see what will happen. So for the present, the opinions of these three advocates have been taken. Only point is, no doubt they are interested in saving the juniors, but the clients are not. But ultimately, the interest of the client is more important because he is the man who is shelling so much of money. Therefore, these senior advocates had no alternative except to attend the court. Let us hope, of course. Supreme Court may advise. Supreme Court cannot fix a rule on this aspect. Let us see at least in future coming days the junior advocates may represent the so-called urgent listing matters. Thank you very much.